A city where the mountains meet the ocean, where modern glass towers rise beside ancient forests. This is Vancouver, one of the most beautiful cities on Earth. But is it really worth visiting? Located in Western Canada, Vancouver is a coastal metropolis known for its natural beauty, multicultural vibe, and high quality of life. It's a place where you can hike a mountain in the morning and relax on the beach by evening. Is it sitting? Let's find out. Vancouver has mild winters and warm, dry summers. The best time to visit? From June to September, when the city shines under clear blue skies. Yes, Vancouver is pricey, but with good planning, it can be surprisingly affordable. Walk or cycle around, use public transport, and enjoy the many free parks and views. Use the SkyTrain. It's fast, clean, and scenic. Don't forget your camera. Every corner of the city is Instagram-worthy. Book early in summer. It's a popular season. Vancouver isn't just a city, it's an experience. Wild, vibrant, and unforgettable. Would you put it on your travel bucket list? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing travel stories. Scene 5, Budget and Travel Tips.